Dog is a man's best friend, especially when you got a ball in your hand. There we go. According to scientific studies, it's good to play with your dog 4,922 times a day. And then you'll have a happy dog. And so, we're going to pick it up. It's okay. Hey. Hey, when was the last time you played with your dog? Hi, Max. This is Max, my dog. You ready? Oh, yeah. And so, when you're working with your dog, you can spend all sorts of time with them, and makes them happy, makes you happy, and life's just a better world. You know, the neighbor dog stopped barking. That's good. Get that ball. We're working on it. All right, bring me the ball. Bring me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me that ball. Give me the ball. I want that ball. Give me the ball. I want the ball. Ball, baby, give me that ball. I want the ball. Where you going? Give me the ball. I can't throw the ball if you don't give it to me, Max. Give me that ball. Ball. So, spend some time with your friends, and that'll enrich your life there. Okay, Max, got the ball? Go get the ball. There you go, bring me the ball. Bring me the ball. Wait, Max. That'll work.